Hello everyone, I am Dr. Danish Salim. I am going to discuss a very important matter today. Certain COVID patients and COVID recovered patients experience persistent chest pain. So, how can we differentiate between a normal and a serious chest pain which is in COVID-19 patient? So chest pain may be due to several reasons. We do get frantic calls regarding the same because persistent chest pain is considered to be a dangerous symptom in COVID-19 patients. So let me share with you some tips to find out the causes. Firstly, the patient who is having acute heaviness in the chest region, pain in the left arm accompanied by profuse sweating. Think about cardiac cause. This severe pain all of a sudden can be an indication of a heart attack, and you must immediately go to the hospital. You have to take an ECG test, and sometimes you need to do a heart enzyme test. In some patients, the ECG test would be normal, but heart enzyme might hint as a possible that the patient is having heart attack. So in order to recognize a heart attack, there are certain points to remember. First is Levine sign. When a person is clenching her fist held in front of the chest, then think about a cardiac pain, unlike other situation. For example, if the patient is having pain particularly in an area, so we can think about other cause. So Levine sign is holding like this, not pointing to an area, holding the fist like this. Second, the patient experiences three types of pain in case of heart attack. Firstly, they might feel a squeezing kind of pain. Secondly, a heavy pressure pain, as if something massive like a flower pot is placed on the chest. And thirdly, some patients complain of a fullness or a tightness in the chest. So these are some of the presentations of pain. Then the pain radiating up to the chin or the arms at all, and the pain persisting from 20 seconds to 20 minutes. So normally the pleuritic and costochondric pain lasts only for 3 to 5 seconds and disappears immediately. So it is felt mainly when the patient does any kind of task. So if the pain is present during the resting time, it is possibly an indication of a heart attack. So these are the 5 techniques to identify whether it is a cardiac cause or other cause, because there are other causes like pleuritic chest pain, musculoskeletal pain and all. So you have to know these 5 points. Second cause is the pulmonary related problem. So after recovery, in some COVID-19 patients, the inflammatory markers can be found in the air sacs of the lungs. So this is nothing but the excess mucus that causes breathlessness in a patient. So normally this persists in COVID recovery patient for some time and it is considered normal. But in certain cases, this condition stays for a longer period of time after the recovery. So this is called as post-residual pneumonia. So there is a method to identify this chest pain. So inhale deeply, and at the end of the process, if a sensation of pain is felt at the periphery of the lungs, it is termed as pleuritic chest pain. So if you are getting a pain, so you can identify the pulmonary pain by this method. I have explained in detail the treatment plan and the remedies for such a pain in video number 599 in Dr. D Better Life. I shall mention a few of them here. So you have to lie down in a prone position for 30 minutes to 2 hours. You have to lie towards the left for 30 minutes to 2 hours. Lie towards the right side for 30 minutes to 2 hours and sit for some time with back straight. So this will reduce the inflammatory markers to settle in an area, and they would eventually get absorbed in the body. Apart from that, one can opt for pulmonary rehabilitation exercise, which I have explained in detail in video number 419 in Dr. D Better Life. So do breathing exercise to normalize the lung functioning in such a cause. So third cause is related to musculoskeletal problem. That is a problem that arises in muscles or skeleton. Many COVID patients complain of costochondritis. So our lungs have a sternum in the middle which is attached to the bone through cartilages. So mucus gets accumulated in the cartilage due to viral infection. This pain is felt while touching or cuffing or doing some task or exercise. So there is a technique to find it. It is termed as crowing roster maneuver. In this technique, you have to hold both the arms behind the head firmly. Then now stretch your arms backward and upwards as much as possible as you can. So at this time, if you sense any pain in the chest, it is called as costochondritis. So costochondritis is treated by applying diclofenac ointment over the chest region, and you can apply a cloth dipped in hot water, squeezed and compressed mildly over that area. It also can be treated using anti-inflammatory medicines such as diclofenac, ibuprofen, then celecoxib, etoricoxib. So these are some of the medicines which can be taken in the morning and at night after the food. So in some people, this condition can persist for 3 weeks to 3 months. So this is also called as costosternal syndrome. So one can recover from it by following the methods which I have already mentioned now. So this is a very important topic to understand the causes of chest pain. I shall be back again with another video of Dr. D Better Life. Till then, take care.